Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have a seat.
I didn't know it was a skincare guy until now. Just a few steps, it's so easy.
MKMen combines science with simplicity. Backed by years of skin expertise, this hard-working routine brings the knowledge of what can damage skin and how to keep it looking healthy to products just for him.
I mean, do you see this? My skin looks great.
This stuff really works.
I love the way that my skin feels right now.
Healthy-looking skin starts with a thorough cleanse. MKMen Daily Facial Wash leaves pores feeling deep down clean and skin feeling refreshed, smooth, and energized.
Feels great. It feels fantastic. It's soft.
When it comes to facial hair care, MKMen Moisturizing Shave Cream combines comfort with a cooling finish for a single, soothing step.
That did fantastic.
A simple routine should work hard. That's why MKMen Ultimate Moisturizer boosts hydration for 12 hours, improves skin firmness, and defends against harmful environmental stressors thanks to the addition of powerhouse antioxidant resveratrol.
I mean, I'm glowing.
I don't know if my skin has ever felt this clean.
No, and this is a routine I could stick to.
I might be a skincare guy after all.
MKMen, because men need skincare too. Available only through your Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant.